Hey guys, welcome back to another challenge of the 14 days challenge. Today is day 4 and it's all about that upper body. It's all about push-ups and push-up progression. If you can't do a push-up, don't worry, there's going to be an alternative for you. Everybody's welcome to these challenges and I've made sure that everybody can do these challenges. So without further ado, let's get into day 4. So there we have it, day 4 is completely done and dusted. I'm so proud of you for getting it done and I'm so proud of you for joining along. If you've just joined, that's absolutely fine. You can start on day 1 and slowly progress at your own pace. Also, the one thing that I want you to do in return, if you like these challenges, is just hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you are following along. Let me know what you think in the comments down below and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Bye.